ready for action with the Joy Toy Mecha Depot testing area. Yes. I got the Mecha Depot watching station for my kid last year, and I liked it so much. I actually play with it more than he did, probably. He uses it for, he sets up Halo every now and then, but I think I've used it more for Jurassic Park than what he's used it for his Halo stuff. Anyway, it takes about a month to get here, so totally worth it, man. All the prices they have include shipping, and the customer service is apparently great. So today we will be opening and putting together the Mecha Depot testing area. Made by Joy Toy. Toy, 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 toy. Oh, hello? Hey. Got our testing area here. Oh man. Alright, this one is, I think, bigger than I thought it was. Level 1. So, that's my oven. My last Joy Toy set had some extra base clips. This one does not, which scares me a little bit because those base clips are prone to breaking. This is the completed testing area. Definitely bigger than I thought it was. Very cool. Love the staircases that they make. It's like so interchangeable with Legacy Collection and everything coming out for Dominion and Hammond Collection. Look at this chair. Like, what? We've got a desk. We've got a chair. These are great shelving units. We got 2 of these. Ah. And what's really cool is once you have more than one, and technically one of these belongs to my kid, but he's not here. You put 2 of them together, and then you start to have a facility. I think this is how I'm going to shoot some of the interiors of Biosyn, probably, 100%. And there we go. Joy Toy Mecha Depot! There's like 2 different places I would suggest going to get them if you're going to get it. Not Amazon. Go to joytoyworld.com or just joytoy.com, I believe. And they have like decent shipping and really good prices for what you get. I mean, these things are just, they photograph really good.